Hey, Cookaholic, Chef Kendra here, and today we're going to make a super quick, no-cook seafood salad. So let's do what we do and make it happen. We have an orange, lime, and lemon. We have zested most of the lemon and the lime and about half of the orange. Next, we're going to roll the fruit to loosen their wonderful juices. Cut them in half and squeeze the juices. Yes, we're going to remove the seeds. We're dicing a bit of red bell pepper. We're dicing some white onion. Now for this, we're using some cooked small shrimp and some imitation crab meat. We're going to cut the imitation crab meat into bite-sized pieces. We don't have to do anything to the shrimp. Next, we're going to get our seafood into a large bowl or a zip-top bag, and we're going to set it aside. In this little measuring cup is the zest, and goes some salt and pepper. Now we're going to mix that into our juice and stir well. Pour the juice mixture into the zip-top bag or bowl with the seafood and mix well. Grab you some lettuce or a salad blend, as much or as little as you like. Top with some of the seafood salad. Serve with some bread or some crackers on the side. And your no-cook seafood salad is good to go. For this and other fine recipes, go to chefkendra.weebly.com. That's chefkendra.weebly.com. You know I got you. That's all for this time. See you next time. Chef Kendra is out. Peace.